This is Can It Be True, where we look into things that don't seem to be possible. Today we look at whether a manufacturer that makes parts for your car also manufactures components used in advanced medical procedures.
Let's go to Brennan for more.
That's right, folks. We're at Amphenol Advanced Products in St. Mary's. We are looking to learn more about what they do.
Primary product line is temperature sensors for the automotive industry, industrial industry, and medical industry.
An average automobile may contain dozens of these sensors for the engine, seats, and interior, the exhaust, tires, and transmissions, where they monitor things like temperatures and pressure. Amphenol sensors are also used in a wide variety of other fields. Like healthcare, Amphenol sensors can be found in items like heart catheters, fever thermometers, blood analyzers, and respiration monitors. Let's learn more from the team members at Amphenol.
I like in my job that I can do a lot of different things in my day-to-day activities, from running testing equipment to making mixes back in the mix room and getting dirty, or testing parts, or reading papers to come up with new ideas.
And I found all of the little toys that I would be the kid that would be breaking them open and playing with them. So I really love the concept of building stuff, and so that's where the engineering grew.
I like working with people, and every day we are troubleshooting to figure out problems.
And the final question, what's so cool about manufacturing?
I think it's very cool that in a place like St. Mary's we can make parts that go into applications all across the country.
Right? We facilitate bridging that gap between something that hasn't been done before and our expertise.
Every day I come into work, I'm learning something new.
That's all. Thanks for watching.